Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a pasta recipe, and this is super easy, super fast to do, and it feeds a lot of people if you're trying to make like a dish for your whole family. But here I'm just boiling up some chicken, and I'm also going to be adding this caldo de pollo by Nor Suiza. I love this. This gives the chicken a really good flavor. And I'm also going to be adding some onion. This is also just going to give it a little bit of flavor, and definitely going to be taking this out once the chicken is ready. And then here I have some colored pasta. Honestly, for this dish you can use even linguine or any type of pasta that you want. This is the creamy Alfredo sauce that I'm going to be using, and I believed I ended up using 1.5 jars, but you can add as much as you want. And then I'm also going to be using this broccoli, but you can get it fresh. I'm just going to be boiling mine a little bit, and then using this Mexican cheese. With this dish it's preferred to use mozzarella, but this is all I had, so this is what I'm going to be using. So here I cut up the chicken just in chunks, that way it can cook a little bit faster. And then in the back over here I have the broccoli boiling, and I'm not going to be boiling it too much because you're still going to cook it a little bit longer in the oven. And I also like the hard consistency, but if you don't like it hard, then just cook it a little longer. And then here I have some water boiling with a little bit of oil. I'm going to be adding garlic powder and salt to the water, that way it can give also the pasta a little bit of that garlic flavor. And for some reason I forgot to film the part where I dumped in the pasta, but I did end up boiling the pasta up. And then here I'm just cutting up the chicken into bite-sized chunks. Now I'm going to be draining out the pasta and the broccoli, and I'm just going to be putting it in the same strainer because it's going to be incorporated in the same dish. I'm just going to make sure that all the water comes out, and then I'm going to be dumping both in the same pan. So there's many other things that you can also incorporate into this dish. One of the things that I added was broccoli, but many of the times I also add like carrots, and you can add mushrooms and other vegetables if you like. Here I'm just dumping in the chicken, and I'm also going to be putting in the sauce. I'm also going to be putting a little bit of extra garlic powder and salt, so that way it can add a little bit more flavor. And then I'm going to be giving it a good old mix, and then dumping it into an oven pan and adding that Mexican cheese. But remember, you can also substitute that for mozzarella, which tastes honestly a lot better. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of extra sauce, but it's up to you how much sauce you want to do. If you like it creamy, then add a lot. If you don't, just add a little bit. And then I'm just going to give it one quick last mix, and then adding the cheese on top, and then putting it into the pan for about 5 minutes or less until the cheese melts. And then that's it. That's super easy, super fast to do. And that is it, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below. I would love to have you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.